Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today's recipe is avocado toast. It's a very famous and very popular toast in North America. Avocado is one kind of fruit, but it doesn't have any taste. I mean to say that it's not sweet, not sour. It tastes like oil. So let's begin. Let's see what is. I like to eat avocado toast like this. So I am sharing with you my recipe. You can do it as you like. So it's a demo. Thank you so much for watching. If you didn't subscribe me, please subscribe and press the bell button so that you cannot miss any of my recipes. Thank you so much. With fork, I will mash them. I am adding only tomatoes. If you like to add cucumber or any other vegetables, you can add it. Now as you can see, it's ready for serving. Salt, pepper as per your taste, and it will awesome. This is the second way of avocado toast. I'm just cutting very thin pieces. It's the very simple way. If you don't like to do any mess, it is the best way to do that. Now it's ready to serve. If you like to add egg, you can do it. I used egg. Thank you so much for watching us. Please subscribe our channel. Your subscription is really meant to us. Thank you so much.